Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use filter to simplify data in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and then you see data category A, B, C. So we are going to use filter. On top you see data, so click on it, and then you see filter, so again click on it, and then you see drop down arrow, so click on it, and then you see select all category A, category B, category C. So now we are going to only want to see category B data. First uncheck all and then select category B and then click on OK. Now only you see category B data. Again click on drop down and then we want to see category A. Now select both. OK. Now you see category A and category B row. So by using filter you will simplify your data if you have large amount of data. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.